Hello traders, and welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I am going to explain a straightforward 1-minute strategy for pocket option. We will not be using multiple indicators for this method. Instead, we will rely entirely on price action and psychological round numbers to identify clear breakout and reversal opportunities. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure your chart and explain the specific 000 rule based on market trends. Later, I will execute live trades to show how this strategy functions in real time. Before we begin the setup, please remember that trading involves risk, and past results do not guarantee future performance. Always practice on a demo account first. If you find this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let us begin with the chart setup. To begin, we need to configure the charts. This approach requires precise timing and trend alignment. First, change your chart type to candles and set the time frame to 15 seconds. This allows us to observe smaller price movements so we can time our 1-minute entries accurately. Second, set your trade expiry time to exactly 1 minute. Finally, open your pocket option settings and enable the horizontal grid. These grid lines are important because they represent psychological round numbers, which are frequently respected by the market. For this strategy, we will focus specifically on price levels that end in a 0000. When the price approaches these 00 levels, the market typically either breaks through the level or reverses from it. The critical factor for this strategy is that you must trade in the direction of the established trend. Here are the standard rules for entry. Scenario 1. The bullish trend, uptrend. When the market is moving upward and approaches a 00 line from below, closely observe the 15-second candle. The breakout, buy trade. If a 15-second candle moves up and closes above the 00 line, the momentum has broken the resistance. Enter a 1-minute buy trade on the open of the following candle. The reversal, sell trade. If the candle touches the 00 line, faces rejection, and closes below it while leaving a wick, the resistance level has held. Enter a 1-minute sell trade. Scenario 2. The bearish trend, downtrend. When the market is moving downward and approaches a 00 line from above, the rules are inverted. The breakout, sell trade. If a 15-second candle moves down and closes below the 00 line, the support has been broken. Enter a 1-minute sell trade immediately. The reversal, buy trade. If the candle drops to the 00 line, bounces and closes above it, the support level has held. Enter a 1-minute buy trade. The logic is straightforward. Breakout trades follow the continuing momentum, while reversal trades capitalize on the price bounce. To provide further clarity, I have created a comprehensive PDF guide that explains the setup, candle confirmation rules, and essential guidelines step by step. You can download this PDF for free using the link provided in the video description. I recommend reading it thoroughly to ensure you understand the framework before applying the strategy. Now let us move to the charts to examine some live setups and see how this strategy is executed. First, let's look at the entry point of this trade. In this situation, the market had already moved upward earlier and then started showing signs of weakness near the top. After that, we can see a strong bearish move forming, with several red candles pushing the price downward. Now, the important moment happens when a 15-second candle clearly breaks below the round number 00 level. This break tells us that sellers are gaining control of the market. At that moment, according to our strategy rules, when the candle breaks below the round number level, we take a sell trade with a 1-minute expiry. This is exactly where the sell trade is placed. Now let's observe what happens after the trade is entered. Immediately after the entry, the market continues to show strong bearish momentum. We can see that the candles keep forming lower highs and lower lows, which confirms that sellers are still dominating the market. Now let's look at the final outcome of the trade. As the 1-minute expiry approaches, the price continues to stay below the round number level, and the bearish momentum remains strong. Because of that, the trade closes in profit before the expiry ends. Now let me show you another important situation in this strategy, the reversal setup. In the previous example, we saw a breakout trade, but sometimes the market does the opposite. Instead of continuing the breakout, the price rejects the level and reverses direction. And that is exactly what happens in this example. First, let's look at the entry point of this trade. At the beginning, the market is clearly moving downward, with multiple red candles showing strong selling pressure. Eventually, the price reaches the round number level ending with 00. At first, it appears like the market might continue falling, but then something important happens. Instead of continuing the bearish move, the price fails to stay below the round number level and quickly moves back above it. This is a classic false breakout or rejection of the level. When the candle moves back above the round number line, according to our strategy rules, we take a buy trade with a 1-minute expiry. This is the exact moment where the reversal buy trade is placed. Now let's observe how the trade develops after the entry. After the buy position is placed, the market starts showing bullish reaction from the round number level. You can see that the next candles begin to push upward, showing that buyers are stepping into the market. This confirms that the previous breakdown was not a real breakout, but a false move. False breakouts often trap traders who enter in the wrong direction. When those traders exit their positions, the market can move quickly in the opposite direction. And that is exactly the type of move we are trying to capture with this reversal setup. Now let's look at the final outcome of the trade. As the expiry time approaches, the price continues to stay above the round number level, showing that buyers are maintaining control. Because of this upward movement, the trade closes successfully before the expiry ends. Now let me show you another example, but this time something important happens. Not every setup works perfectly, and this example is actually a very good learning moment. First, let's look at the entry point of this trade. At this moment, the market was clearly moving downward, forming several strong bearish candles. Then the price approached the round number level ending with 00. When the candle broke below this level, it looked like a clean breakout. According to the breakout rule of this strategy, when a 15-second candle breaks below the round number level, we can consider taking a sell trade with a 1-minute expiry. So at this point, the sell trade was placed following the breakout rule. However, there was one important detail on the chart that I did not notice immediately. Now let's see what happens after entering the trade. Right after the sell entry, instead of continuing downward, the market suddenly shows strong buying pressure. A large bullish candle appears and quickly pushes the price back above the round number level. This tells us that the market has reached a strong support area where buyers are willing to step in. If we look slightly left on the chart, we can actually see that price previously reversed from the same level earlier. That means this level was acting as a strong support zone, not just a simple breakout level. Because of this support reaction, the breakout fails to continue downward. As the expiry time approaches, the price continues to stay above the level and move upward. Because the market rejected the breakdown and bounced from the support zone, the trade closes in a loss. But this example is extremely valuable because it highlights an important lesson. Even when a breakout appears clean, we must always check whether the level is also acting as a major support or resistance zone from previous price action. So this is how the round number breakout and reversal strategy works on the 15-second chart with 1-minute expiry. As we saw in the examples, sometimes the breakout continues, sometimes the market reverses, and sometimes the trade does not work, which is completely normal in trading. The key is to understand price behavior around psychological round number levels and always manage risk properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more educational trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Sam Trading Strategies.